Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be sharing the content of our demo classes, that what we'll be doing in our demo classes. So, basically, we'll be sharing the outlets of the things that what we'll be doing in our present crash course classes. The first thing that we'll be giving an overview of chapter wise plan, that which chapter should be completed in what duration of days, so that the students shouldn't waste their time in the things which are least important. So chapter division according to the chapter plan, which chapter should be given what maximum time according to the ability and capacity of the students. So this capacity and ability of the students we will be able to understand only if the students enroll in our crash course. So by that we will be able to give them the one-on-one attention, by which we will understand their capacity and capability, and according to that capacity and capability we will give that student questions or the chapters that student has to study through. So because this is because the students are of different mindsets, and not everyone are okay with the physics, for example. So with that overview, we will be training them in such a way that they will enjoy learning their respective subject in which they have a more interest. So the students who don't have the, for example, if they don't have the interest in mathematics, we will be giving them the important questions of the chapters. So at least if those students study those questions, they will be able to score highest marks. So this is the meaning of the chapter plan, what we will be giving to the students. And the second thing is that we will be discussing the timetable. So each student has been given, is having their own schedule of a day. So if the students enroll in our crash course, we will be able to understand the time slots in the entire day, according to which we will prepare a personalized timetable for the students, which they can follow according to their comfort and their schedule. Everything will keep in mind and prepare the personalized timetable for the individual students. So this is the reason why we tell that we will be giving them the one-on-one attention on the Zoom classes. So for us, each and every student is important, so because of which we will be training them through Zoom classes only by keeping one student in a meeting. So this is the meaning of one-on-one attention classes by our institute. And the third thing what we will be giving them is the distribution of marks of the chapters of the entire subjects, including the SSLC and science PCMB students. So what chapter holds how many marks, that we will be giving them. And the blueprint whatever has been released by the government and the board, not every student can understand the blueprint and study accordingly. So we will be assisting the students there also. And one more thing, what we will be giving them is the important questions. So if the student is of any category, like if the student is a topper, average or below average, all these three categories of students will be wanting the important questions over which they can give a special attention. So important questions by us will help them to understand the things and focus on the things which are very important according to the point of view of the examination. So important questions will be issued to the students whoever enroll. And the third and the last thing, whatever is very important for all the categories of students, is that passing package. So if a student is of the topper category also, the first priority of a student should always be passing marks. So because of which they are approaching the examination of a type that the examiners will be evaluating their papers. So it is very important for them to first focus on the passing marks and then aim for the distinction. So passing package will be issued to all types of the students according to the their ability, according to their capacity, we will be giving them the passing package so that they can understand the things and follow up the same. So passing package we will be giving them, but this passing package we have kept the name as passing package. But if the students study the passing package, they will be inshallah able to score above 50. At least if the students even studies the 50% of our passing package also, above 50 marks are guaranteed in their examinations. So if you think that 30 marks of the practical and the 50 marks of the question paper, whatever the student have attempted in the PUC, if they calculate the 80 marks they will get. So by this strategy we have designed the things so that their percentage should increase and the student should be able to get the distinction with the minimum efforts. So these are the content which we will be discussing in our demo classes. Why we are telling that these are the demo classes? Because we will not be teaching the entire thing in our demo classes. We will be just giving the overview of the each thing whatever has been discussed in this video in our demo classes, so that the students whoever is watching us will get an idea how they will be trained under us. So hurry up, enroll under our institute to get benefited and enjoy these benefits and excel in your academics and get beautiful results. So stay tuned with our channel to understand us and get information about our institute. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.